Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. In this video I'll show you how to remove page title with Elementor. Let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and very first I have to add a page. So hover on pages and click on add page. Add title. I have to give the page title here. So I want to give the page title our services. Our services and publish it from the right side corner. Visit the page. The page title is showing. I want to remove this page title. Before removing it, I want to make some content to explain it clearly. So edit the page. Edit with Elementor. Just for dummy content, onto image placeholder. Now I can close it and refresh this page. Yes, this page works perfectly. Now I want to remove this page title. So again, edit with Elementor. Then I have to navigate the page settings. This is the page settings, a gear icon, page settings. Sometimes you can see this page setting gear icon bottom left corner. You can see here as well. So now it shows here, so click on it. Just scroll down and this is the hide title and you have to enable it. So click and enable it. You can see the page title has been removed and publish it. Now visit the page and refresh it. Yes, the page title has been removed successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.